Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to track changes in Google Docs. It's very easy and simple, especially guys, if you are sharing it with someone. You need to track your changes, right? So you come to the top left, you click on File, and usually to share, you come here and you share with others. So just to track these changes, you'll see this option that says Version History. If I hover over here, I get multiple options. I want you to click on See Version History, and if you're wondering about a shortcut, it is Control plus Alt plus Shift plus H. If this is too much to remember, guys, you just come here to File, Version History, and then just click on See Version History. Now I'll show you a lot of different versions I have of this exact document. So you see in this version, the current one, I had removed the table of content, which was actually available on this date, as you can see. And if we go back even further, you'll see the other changes that are being made. For example, this one right here, I had removed all of this, and here I had removed a dark and replaced that. So make sure this show changes is toggled on so you can keep track. It's really that easy and simple.